Hey guys, good morning. This is Julie. It is Saturday, December 10th. I want to invite you to the webinar I'm having with Shark Indicators on January 5th at 10 a.m. Chicago time. We'll be going over the higher time frame trend strategies that I use to approach positions in the markets. So definitely check that out. And we will see you there. Just contact Shark Indicators for your registration, or they'll be sending you a link in the near future. Today I'm going to be going over just a chart review. So take a look at a couple of markets that I think are about ready to break out on supply demand. You know, we're in a transition currently with a governmental administration that seems to be leading towards more of a spend on infrastructure, which will increase commodity prices short term and inflation as that commodity price increase occurs, the expansion of the money supply of both products and credit. So we'll see how far the future extends currency's purchasing power or the commodity oil and metals or agricultural products change during this expansion. So let's take a look at the charts real quick and get right into a deep dive of that methodology I'm using, which is basically a very simple higher time frame trend for trending, weekly, daily, 60, 15. And as you can see, my commodities are starting to trend up. The soybeans, corn, and wheat. So I've got soybeans showing you that momentum has broken over the zero line. We're extending up and out above our levels, and we're breaking the Bollinger Band levels also to the upside. So to trade this on a smaller time frame, that's what we look for our positions. We want to make sure that price is weekly, daily, 60, 15 and moving in our direction for taking the trades. So getting down on a lower time frame, buying low, selling high. I'd like to see these reversal points at a lower Bollinger Band when momentum shifts, going back in the direction of that higher time frame trend. And here you had a stochastic cross signaling you in so that you can start hitting the bottoms on the 60-minute on down to your 5-minute, 2-minute. So every bottom that you can hit, you would want to take these entries on these lower touches, or getting down even further granular, say on a 2-minute chart, on these reversals, momentum and or slope direction. I like trading a Unirenko chart, as you know, and let me show you what that looks like. And I will share my new template with you in just a moment. So after I have a trade idea on a higher time frame, I can drill down to my lower time frame to fine-tune these entries for shorter term trending opportunities. And I'm basically looking for either momentum divergences. When you buy low, or at the inflection at this bottom Bollinger Band with divergence. So here's your momentum divergence. Here's a pullback into the prior support area, momentum divergence, and an inflection off this bottom Bollinger Band. So it makes this trade setup this beautiful run-up that we're looking for to our profit target. So this is what I look for on a regular basis for these opportunities, and I execute on my signals at this support resistance level. So when I see price approaching a prior support resistance, I take that signal in the direction of that higher time frame trend, or I can add on either at the volatility break right here, oops, show it to you right there, or that first pullback again to support resistance. In this case, the support resistance is at the volatility break and the VWAP, that confluence, volatility band extended out, VWAP, price comes down here and touches it. So you can enter on the first momentum inflection back in your direction and then hold that pivot. And here's your signal getting you in for that second leg up. These run-ups are what we're looking for. And we can add maximum position size on these fantastic entries, and that increases our profits exponentially. But it all starts with a higher time frame trend analysis. So you understand in commodities your supply demand, and then you look for a market that is in an early stage of that supply demand. So like your cornflakes, your wheat, your soybeans, and try to get in on that early trend adoption. So come to my webinar January 5th and have a very nice weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much.